now, man. What's all this?
This man.
What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing?
Man, I don't know. What do you do about this around now? Maybe we can see someone to help us.
I'll push this car away from here. This fucking app for man. Fucking app for.
Now.
I don't know. And this fucking after 4. We don't have time. Damn.
Bro, I think you should call someone to help us push the car.
If this no, it's not picking. It's not picking. I've been calling it since morning.
Oh my god.
What's all this?
Don't worry. Let's look for someone to push.
You have to do that fast. You have to do that fast.
Yeah.
Go time.
You look like. Wait.
Hello. So what are you saying? I don't even understand the language. What's up? So this guy is for to kill anybody that can help us.
I'm not afraid of it.
I call you, you're shaking my hand. I don't understand. Anybody that can help us, we share this guy, it has spoiled, or we just have to do something fast.
Hey, you didn't give mechanic. Hey, you didn't give mechanic in Atom can repair motor. I'm not the mechanic. You get the point.
What are you saying?
What are you saying? What is this one even saying?
What am I saying? I'm not the mechanic. You didn't give mechanic.
No problem. Let's just push this thing. Just push out. Just push out on this guy.
No, did
I have time?
Hey, you didn't give him buari or put your motor can be another.
Talking to me like you know.
My family now.
You remember I tell you that time?
Yes, now.
I thought they speak normal English. You know?
I remember now.
This one I don't enter this now. My friend come over here. This one I don't enter this. I never see person who I go punish. Yeah, now just pass the aggression for that.
Okay, person where you go punish. No, not believe you go punish now.
Hold on.
I said you want to push car. You're from head now.
Yes.